हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम ऑडिबल। हाई लेवल पे बहुत सारे कैंडिडेट्स यहाँ पे हैं जिनको बहुत सारी चीजें नहीं पता। ठीक है, सो फॉर देम अ क्विक इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट दिस प्लेसमेंट सपोर्ट बैच। ठीक है, व्हाट वी डू इन दिस होंगे उसका एग्जैक्ट रिप्लिका बनाने की कोशिश रहेगी, जिसमें दिस सेशन विल बी मिक्स ऑफ एचआर, टेक्निकल एंड मैनेजरियल सेशंस, एंड इट इज क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट दैन द एक्चुअल इंटरव्यू, क्योंकि एक्चुअल इंटरव्यू विल गो विद द फ्लो। एक फ्लो में जाता है वो, एचआर के साथ पहले हाई लेवल देन लो लेवल एंड ऐसे क्वेश्चन होते हैं। आई विल ट्राई टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस लाइक मिक्स, कभी पावर बीआई पूछ लिया, कभी एसक्यूएल पूछ लिया। ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे हम बहुत कुछ सीखने मिलेगा, और जो भी क्वेश्चंस, ठीक है, यहाँ से मैं कंटिन्यू करता हूँ। ठीक है, जस्ट पेशेंस रखो। मैं हर एक कैंडिडेट से पर्सनली बात करूंगा। आई विल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड योर चैलेंज कि हम ओपनिंग के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हैं बट जॉब क्यों नहीं आ रहा है। तो एक चीज याद रखो, जॉब का एक ही सिंपल फॉर्मूला है, यू नीड टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड। कॉल तो आ जाएगा, ठीक है, कॉल अपन ला लेंगे। कॉल का बहुत ज्यादा चैलेंज नहीं आएगा, डेफिनेटली अभी रोज नहीं आएगा कॉल, महीने का एक कंसिडर करो, इतना तो ला ही सकते हैं। बट वो महीने का एक कॉल ऑफर में कन्वर्ट होना चाहिए, वो लेवल का प्रिपरेशन करना है, दैट इज द ओनली थिंग। यहाँ पे ना चैट जीपीटी चलेगा, ना कोई अदर स्किल चलेगी, ना वो चीटिंग चलेगी, क्योंकि फिर थोड़ा भी शक आया कि ये बंदा चीट कर रहा है, उनको फिजिकली बुला के टेस्ट करेंगे तो अटक जाएंगे। ठीक है, और अंदर काम भी तो करना है। इमेजिन करो चीटिंग के चक्कर में ऐसा कुछ बोल दिया कि जो आता ही नहीं कभी, और कभी उसको सुना भी नहीं, चैट जीपीटी के चक्कर में कमिट कर दिया मेरे को ये भी आता है, ये भी आता है, तो फिर हाउ यू कैन लाइक, हाउ कैसे करोगे ये चीज़ें। तो यू नीड टू सेट योर बाउंड्रीज। तो इसी का प्रैक्टिस यहाँ पे हम करने वाले हैं, कितना हमें आता है, क्या करने वाले हैं। ठीक है, सो दिस विल बी एच आर, मैनेजरियल एंड टेक्निकल मॉक सेशन विच विल बी, साथ में मेरे पास कुछ ओपनिंग्स हैं आज। जो भी दो कैंडिडेट तो शॉर्टलिस्ट हो चुके हैं, विशाल सिंह एंड किरण। सो आज और जो कैंडिडेट शॉर्टलिस्ट हो जाएंगे उनको मैं ओपनिंग्स आज ही आपको शेयर कर दूंगा। सीवी का काम भी आज ही आपका बिल्ड हो जाएगा, और प्रोफाइल का काम भी आज से चालू हो जाएगा। मंडे से विल ट्राई टू शेयर योर सीवी एज सुन एज पॉसिबल। सो ऑल द बेस्ट गाइस। जिस किसी को भी कोई क्वेश्चन हो, सो प्लीज आस्क एट लाइक आफ्टर आर, और सभी के मॉक इंटरव्यूज होने के बाद। सो फर्स्ट मेरे पास रिज्यूम है, जस्ट मिनट, अभिषेक। सो अभिषेक, आर यू, मैंने कल लास्ट आपको कॉल किया था बट यू आर नॉट देयर इन द मीटिंग। सो आई एम ऑडिबल अभिषेक?
Hello, sir.
हाँ,
Yes.
यस, आई एम ऑडिबल।
Yes, yes, you're audible. I'm audible to you?
Yes, you are audible. So Abhishek,
Okay.
I'm having your CV. So can you please tell me about yourself, like what you did
Yeah,
till today and what is your
sure.
past?
Yeah. So first of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Abhishek Salvi. I'm a computer engineering graduate having 4+ years of IT experience with 2.5 years of relevant experience as a data analyst. I specialize in Power BI, SQL, SSMS, Excel, and SharePoint. I have worked across the organizations where I gained the full cycle experience as a data analyst, like gathering data from various sources, data cleaning and transformations, data modeling, and build various reports and dashboards. I have worked in sales and marketing and finance domain. I'm having the strong combination of I'm having the combination of strong analytical skills and practical business understanding. As a data analyst, I just don't build dashboards. I ensure that they tell the right story, they solve the real world problems, and help stakeholders to make better decisions. Also, I have designed the reports that increases the time efficiency by 20 to 30%. And currently, I'm seeking new opportunities in the data analytics domain to have some more exposure on projects, and I'm eager to enhance my skills and appreciate the chance to do so with your organization. Thank you. So that's it from my side.
Okay, good intro. So are you working or not?
Yes, I'm currently working.
Okay, so what is your organization name?
My organization name is Abroad Tech Solution.
Okay, so you have 4 years of total experience and relevant is 2.5 plus.
Yeah, on data analytics, I'm having 2.5 years of experience, and total, I'm having almost 4.5 and 5 years of experience.
Okay, so 4 years of experience, what you doing in that, like before data analyst, what you do?
Yeah, so when I start my career, So before data analytics, I was on the SharePoint domain, uh, uh, where I work on the SharePoint, then Power Apps, Power Automates, and with like technologies.
Okay, what was the project you working on in the last domain, in the last job?
In last job, I was working on a project called SecOps. It was basically the projects on SharePoint, and it was what to say, the incident tracking system, like what the tickets we have all in our organization. No? So we track that tickets, and the basis of that we have that dashboard.
Okay, you have.
What
So
we
are
do.
you building that dashboard or you are just handling the tickets and support work you are having?
No, actually, the dashboard was created by me and the team, and it was for the company which having the tickets solution. So we have to build a dashboard for them. I was in a developer team.
Okay, you are being a developer.
Yeah,
So
instead of one developer.
okay, so good. So what you like? Why you transit from developer to Power BI and data analyst? What
Yeah.
you like drive? Yes.
Yeah. So when I was working on a SharePoint, so I was also trained for like Power Apps, then Power BI because it's all involved in Office 365. So I have built my interest in a data analyst also like in a Power BI domain. And fortunately, I'm having that opportunity in my current company. So I'm also developing my interest in data analytics, and in my free time, I have did many courses and certifications on that, like courses come certifications in data analysis, and I have also had a chance to work on that. So I switched to data analyst, and I love to do full time also.
Okay. So you also worked with SQL and Power BI.
Yeah.
So yes, in your last project, what is the role of SQL in your like working what is the role of SQL in your project?
In my last project, so that was the healthcare domain project, and I have been fetched data from SQL Server, like SQL database. So basically, they had did the data cleaning all in Power Query editor. So it was as per the business requirement, there was not much SQL required in that. So we have fetched the data from SQL Server, but apart from that, we have all did the operations on Power BI itself.
Okay, so you did only fetching, like importing the data from SQL Server.
Yeah, from the
Are-
recent, for only the recent one, but I have also did the SQL queries also in one of my projects. But from the recent project, the SQL Server is only used to fetching the data from the database.
So what type of SQL queries you worked on? Are you
Uh,
involved in optimizing the queries?
in optimizing the queries, like I did the SQL queries, I have worked on CTs and like optimizing query like. Uh, Currently, I'm not able to recall, but yeah, I've done the basic SQL queries and also like optimizing. You can say that yes, we have worked on that.
What we do in the optimization process and what is the code optimization process?
Yeah,
Would you
so
understand?
yeah, to optimize the SQL query, so we have multiple steps to do that. Like avoid the select star to fetch the all data, and we can use the CP to optimize the query. We can also use indexing for good performance. Yeah, this kind of means steps can optimize the query.
Okay, good. What is the difference between joins and left anti-join and right join? Like
Okay, so yeah.
anti-join and join. What is the difference between both?
Okay, so first of all, let's focus on joins. Joins are basically use equals to fetch the data from two tables. So in a left join, what we can have as a output, we were having the common records and remaining left. And in left anti-join, it's the totally opposite according to the output. Like apart from that common records, we were having the remaining records in anti-join.
Okay, and do you know left anti, right anti joint?
Yeah, so basically
What
works
is
the vice versa.
it is working? Can you please come again?
As a result, as I already said, what left join can do, like it fetches the record, the common record between two tables and remaining left. The left anti-join is exactly opposite output gives.
So what output it gives?
So apart from common records and remaining left, it gives the output.
Apart from the are you sure?
Yeah.
Can you please explain me with example? So there are this. Do you have any example in mind?
Uh, Let me think. So suppose we were having in a table A, we were having numbers like 1, 2, 3, and table B, we were having 1 and 3, suppose. But I have to use like, okay, ठीक है. 1, 2, 3, and 1 and 3 in table B. So left join would give, uh,
I just want to hear a left anti joint. What will be the output of left anti joint?
okay, so in this case, left anti-join would be 1, 2, 3, 1, 3. Will be actually means no value in output because all we have outputs in left join only. So this example were the table A 1 to 3 and table B is having 1 and 3. So there will be no output in the left hand join.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. So, okay, we'll move ahead. Consider you have multiple tables. Like consider you are working dealing with the sales team. You have 4 or 5 tables like January, February, and multiple months table, and you have to create a single table for facts like to perform some business operations and to perform centralized data monitoring. So how do you deal with the scenario, and what type of code you build in that?
Okay, so there are multiple tables January, February, March, and I means imagine that they were having the sales data, and if the table structure and the table schema is same for the all tables, then to combine it in a single table, we can use the append query. That you know,
Okay, append queries in
yeah.
the append query works in where, like, is it a SQL code or what?
It's working a Power BI.
And in SQL, what you do?
In SQL, to combine all, we can. So currently, I'm not able to recall it, but we can definitely do it. I'm actually just not able to recall that operation's name.
Are
Sorry
you
for that.
aware about set operators?
Yeah. Set operator.
What is set operators?
So in set operators, we are having union operator. So with the help of that, we can achieve it.
Okay, so union. Are you sure union?
Yes.
Okay, so I feel it is union on, but it's okay.
Okay. So union all, yeah, it's having all duplicates and all. Yeah. Okay.
So go with the Power BI. What is your relevant experience in Power BI? How many have contributed?
Uh, 2.5 years.
1.5 years. You worked on which? What are the building blocks of Power BI?
So building blocks of Power BI, we were having the Power BI desktop, then Power Query editor, we were having the Power Pivot, then Power BI gateways, and this we were having in the Power BI building blocks.
Okay. So
Would you like me to explain more on this?
no, I will ask questions like
Okay.
how do you what is your role in Power Query? What you did in Power Query?
So basically, Power Query editor, it's an inbuilt ETL tool in a Power BI desktop, and we can means we can perform the data cleaning and data transformation operations in a Power Query editor.
Okay. So what is the difference between implicit and explicit measure in Power BI?
Okay. So implicit and explicit images. Oh, okay. When we have to like build any visual in a Power BI, so suppose we drag some uh, column names into a field in building, suppose one table we have to show in the Power BI desktop, and we execute the values in rows and columns. Then there are summation operation performs by itself in the Power BI. Like we can have the sum value in a table itself. So the that falls in the implicit measures. So it taken care by the Power BI only, and explicit measures like we created the measure for our need.
Good, very good. So, what is the difference between transform and add column feature in Power Query?
Yeah. So basically, we use transform column when we have to means do transformation on that same column only, and when we want some extra column apart from our original column, then we use add column. So it creates a separate column for the like data cleaning and transformation process.
Right. So, how do you manage the optimization? If like you are dealing with a large amount of data, a big data, so
Yeah.
how do you handle such scenarios? Consider you have crores of records in your
Mhm.
database and you want a BI reporting out of it. Like how do you deal with the such scenarios?
So in dealing with this scenario, we always that the optimization is not a single button process. So throughout the project, we have to very like cautious about it, and we should take the precautions throughout the project from gathering the data from the source and by choosing the proper connectivity mode. That is the first crucial step that we should not ignore. Then after that, we should clean the data properly, assign the proper data types to it. We have to for relationship. So between the tables, because the Power BI engines runs very best when there are the less joins and less relationships are there. And after that, we should choose the proper schema for our data model. And after the publishing the reports, we should monitor, then like analyze our DAX that how much every visuals take time to run. And if we are having like as we said, we are having crores of records, and as per the business requirement, we choose the connectivity mode. We can switch to hybrid mode to means to get the proper uh, efficiency and also like real time refresh also. So yeah, by this number of steps, we can achieve the ones in a Power BI.
Okay, what is key part like? What is key role of data to like which functionality or what we call or which process you use to optimize the data till like so that it can boost the performance? What will be the core step like? That step
Uh, yeah,
is your
the most step I would like to like share my experience in past projects. So they would same problem yeah, the Power BI report takes the more time to load the visuals and all. So we have to like choose the hybrid model for that. Like we have to choose import mode for the historical data, and for the real-time data, we use the direct query mode. So using this hybrid mode, we achieve the both. Like we have also uh, get the all features that we have supported in the Power import mode, and also we will get the real-time data using the direct query, and using the incremental refresh, we can achieve the efficiency in the Power BI report. So that will be the key step we can use.
okay, good, good. So what is your role in Power BI services?
I'm having the contributor role.
Okay, contributor. What you did during your contribution as a contributor?
Like we can manage the workspace, and we can basically Power BI services used to collaborate and work. So we can publish our reports, schedule, increment, like data refreshes and all.
Okay. So what license you are having?
We were having Power BI Pro.
What is the difference between Power BI Pro and Premium?
So the both having the access to the Power BI service, the both can we can share reports and publish reports on both. But in a Power BI Pro, we can schedule a refresh 8 times a day only, and in a Power BI Premium, we can schedule refresh in a 48 times a day. Also, there is a difference between the data model size and one more we can have the presented reports and AI visuals in a Power BI service only. Power BI premium license only. We don't have that in the Power BI.
Okay. And how many, what type of rules are there in the Power BI workspace?
So we were having the admin role, then member role, contributor role, and viewer role.
Okay. So how do you automate the whole Power BI project? Like, don't you want to refresh manually, and what will be the steps you can take to automate the whole project?
Yeah. So to automate the report, we can use the schedule refresh option. So that can automatically refresh the report the time we have which we assign to it. So we does not take the manual load to refresh every time. So we have to set the gateways for that. After setting the gateways, we can use the schedule refresh. So this is one part. And for the publishing report, there is option in the Power BI service we can subscribe that subscription option, so it can directly share the reports to end user or whichever you want to share. So by this process, we can automate our Power BI report.
Okay. So, is there any question for me? You are having good experience, Abhishek. I'm impressed about your interview. Is there any question for me?
Yeah. So the candidate you're looking for and the project you are having this uh, occupancy. So is this project in a pipeline or a current live project?
So it is like we already worked on that project, and the developer is like you will be replacing that developer. So that is the requirement. We'll get back to you soon so that we can discuss about the project. And yes, that was good. What is your experience in Python? Are you worked on Python or what?
In one of our projects, I have used Python for the data cleaning only, like using NumPy and Pandas for the basic data cleaning stuff. But that was a business requirement. If we need the Python in our current project, then I'll definitely have some more exposure and self, and we'll definitely do that. No issue.
Okay, good, good. What is your exposure with AI? Like, are you integrating AI with Power BI or what?
Yeah, I have integrated Claude. Also use the ChatGPT and Cursor to with the help of AI. We can obviously it's help to increase our efficiency. So yeah, I have integrated it with the Claude also.
चलो good, good. So Abhishek, you are well prepared. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके. So so you are good to go. You handle situations very clearly. But in 2-3 points, I feel कि यहाँ पे हमने commit नहीं करना चाहिए था कि are you sure बोला था मैंने. So no one is sure till you tasted that scenario or you. I hope you are getting my point. अगर आज एक मीटिंग लेते हैं हम जहाँ पे वो चीजें हमारा कवर अप हो जाएगा, ठीक है. So कुछ भी रहा तो just stay connected with me and all the best. Yes, yes. आई होप अभी समझा. बाकी भी आप कैमरा ऑफ कर सकते हो अभिषेक, ठीक है. बी रिलैक्स. सो दैट वाज द वे you can introduce yourself, you can frame your boundaries. डेफिनेटली ये एक दिन में या रातों रात नहीं हो पाता. कोई कैंडिडेट एक दिन में ये लेवल का प्रिपेयर नहीं होता. हमें हर बार एक एक कंपोनेंट पे काम करना है. लाइक हम कैसा वो दीवार बांधते तो एक एक ब्लॉक डालते उसमें एंड धीरे धीरे वो पूरी बन जाती है. सिमिलरली एक एक चीज को फ्रेम करना है, हर कंपोनेंट का स्टडी करना है, उस पर स्टोरी बिल्ड करना है. उसमें से कुछ चीजें आपको आती होगी, कुछ चीजें नहीं आती होगी. जो आता है तो उसको सॉलिड विथ योर प्रोजेक्ट. जैसे अभिषेक का एक पॉइंट बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. मैंने उसको एक सिनेरियो पूछा, उसने डायरेक्ट बोला इन माय पास्ट प्रोजेक्ट वी वर वर्किंग ऑन दैट. तो उसने वो सिनेरियो को, उस क्वेश्चन को रिलेट किया उसके पास्ट प्रोजेक्ट से. इट शोज द एक्सपीरियंस कि ये बंदा एक्सपीरियंस्ड है, अब इसको हम चांस दे सकते हैं, ठीक है. बाकी जस्ट एक पॉइंट्स पे मुझे वो स्टार्टिंग में नहीं ठीक लगा कि वो कैमरा हल रहा था. अभिषेक का। सो एट दैट पॉइंट, बट वो आफ्टर अ वाइल वो स्टेबलाइज हो गया। सो कैमरा और एंगल आपका अच्छा होना चाहिए। मोबाइल से कभी इंटरव्यू नहीं देने का, ठीक है? मोबाइल से इंटरव्यू दे रहे हो तो कभी आप पास ही नहीं होंगे। सो दैट इज गुड पार्ट। बाकी तो सॉलिड, अच्छा लगा मुझे।